Ohaneze youth dey para well like dis, my good people, they no get joy at all sake of the Igbo must go protest wey Yoruba people dey plan for inside Lagos. Now the Apex Igbo Social Cultural Organization Ohaneze Ndigbo Youth Council Worldwide, they don issue a strong warning against any planned attack on Igbo people for inside Lagos State and other southwest region. And this warning, my good people, it dey come sake of the post wey come from one ex-user wey be Lagospedia in the call for the forced relocation of Igbo people. Dey yarn say make Igbo people come comot for their region. Now Mazi Oku Inabuike wey be the national presido, he come drop statement. And for inside the statement, he come dey yarn say the council now they don denounce the call as unpatriotic and threatening, and they declare say any attack now on Igbo people, the kind of retaliation wey those people they go receive from Ndigbo, they no go fit believe their eye. This statement now, they entitle am "Enough is Enough," and they call the summer warning, my good people. Say the Igbo community, they no go tolerate any attempt to put violence or to undermine their presence for inside we country, Nigeria. Normally, my good people, as that matter come board, that Igbo must go protest matter, as it just arise for internet, as it just reach country people their ear, some Igbo people they para away, they no get joy. They come the yarn, they give those people now where they behind that protest, see me they no even try am, make them come up body, because last self, Igbo people they don't even tire for country Nigeria. They want go do their own, make them call them Biafra. So you no even get meaning. But now the national president of Ohaneze Youth, maybe Oku Inabuike, he don dey assure the general public, in the yarn they give the general public again, say Igbo people they didn't fear anybody, they didn't fear anything, and make them no reason say Igbo people then weak or they be coward because say they no participate for the end bad governance nationwide protest we just finished. So and he come the yarn they give those people where they promote the Igbo must go protest, so make them cease fire, make them come up body sharply, because Igbo people they be VVIP for inside we country Nigeria, so they deserve equal respect, they deserve equal protection. All this one, my good people, they inside the statement where the national president will be Mazi Oku Inabuike release give the general public. And no be lie, my good people, the Yoruba nation now, they no even need them, they no even supposed to pursue Igbo people from their region, because Igbo people don't they try to come out since at the federal government that they hold them. So if the Yoruba people true want to make Igbo people come out for their region, they supposed to tell their brother, maybe our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu, say okay, make him give Igbo people a referendum, make him give them the order, make him let them go, make them go start their own country, will be Biafra. So it go make sense where the Yoruba people they will get joy, say Igbo people don't come out for their region. The Igbo people they will get joy last, say they don't get their Biafra and they don't come up body for the matter we concern Nigeria. And Igbo people say we don't talk am before, say this matter now something we say they want use peace, they do am, they no want violence, so that when they don't peacefully come up body from we country Nigeria, they will still be friends with Nigeria, so that they will feel they exchange goods and services, you understand, not as neighboring countries you get. But if they use violence come up body, if they use by force take come up body from we country Nigeria, they will carry that grudge for mind. Anything we concern Nigeria, they no go one hear am, because that time violence it don't enter. And my good people, if you touchlight this matter properly, you go see and say the federal government they never ready at all to let go. They never ready to let Biafra get their way. Now why? Upon all the call from Ndigbo, all the call from Southeast governors, even some members on the House of Representatives, all of them they call for the release of the Biafra agitator will be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yet the federal government they still dey silent about the matter. They still leave Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for the detention of the secret police will be the Department of State Services (DSS). So on to the next information where I want share give the general public. The tori be say the Allied Conservative Congress will be ACC don dey advocate for a presidency from the Southeast region for inside the 2027 general election, and they argue say that one now go enhance national unity. And no be lie, my good people, time don reach sef make Southeast region produce a president for inside the country. The matter suppose happen last general election wey happen for inside the year 2023 with Mr. Peter Obi. If to say na Peter Obi now emerge as president of the country Nigeria, but say the agitation for Biafra it go reduce on a massive level because their brother last don sit down as president of the country Nigeria. But no, it no be like that. For over 20 years now, and the northerners wey don hold power pass, that don rule pass for inside the country Nigeria. When the north rule small, they go pass and give the southwest region. When the southwest region rule again, they come pass and give the north. It no make sense. They forget about the southeast region. They forget about Igbo people. They supposed to do them in a way where we say when the southwest rule small, the north rule small, the southeast they rule small, make everything for just balance. Now the Allied Conservative Congress will be AAC. They don dey yarn say time don reach. So make it be say for inside the 2027 general election, Southeast produce a presidency for inside the country. That now will bring national unity. And this call, my good people, now the chairman of the party will be Olusegun Peters. Now the yarn so, and in the yarn during the inauguration of the Abia State Executives for inside Umuahia, represented by the ACC National Vice Chairman Northwest Ibrahim Abdullahi. Oga Peters now the yarn say the Southeast region they never produce a Nigerian president since the assassination of former head of state will be General Johnson Aguiyi Ironsi on the 29th day of July for the year 1966. And he called the yarn say since the return of democracy 25 years ago, no Igbo person don enter the presidency, while the north and the southwest now they don't hold office twice, and normally that kind of level it no make sense. The ACC chairman constantly yarn say their party is very much committed to equity and it aim to support the equal distribution of power among Nigerians' three major tribes, maybe Igbo, Hausa, and Yoruba. Oga Abdullahi Kondi praised the industrious nature of the Igbo people and he Kondi expressed optimism. Say the current economic challenges of the country Nigeria could be addressed through their ingenuity. And during this inauguration, so Oga Peters Kondi urged the newly appointed Abia State Executive so we then work with unity and purpose. And he Kondi emphasized, say the ACC they are dedicated to the welfare of all country people, regardless of religion, ethnic or educational background. So this my good people now the informate we as make a pass give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make a drop them inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on a legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. So if you would like to receive information like that, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, then you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey bring another interesting information I will share give the general public. I beg, no go anywhere.